is my hosting, as you can see, and now I go on the folder web application. It's view clear to you, whatever. So I just click on view more. Okay, so let's see. When I click on view more, then it's showing something. So wait a minute. Yeah, so as you can see, installation, there's a lot of application. Okay, so watch here. As I told you, I will install codeingniter. So I will click on codeingniter. Just click here, and after that, as you can see, this is the codeingniter web application, and the installation is here. How to install codeingniter? So just here, as you can see here, a positive button. So install this application. Just click here. Okay, after that you can see as here domain. If you have a lot of domains or more than one domain, just select from here. So select from here, and directory is optional, so it's depend on you. If you want to fill here, you just can fill here. Framework, as you can see here, I fill framework, but there is no need to write framework because this is optional. So I will clear this. After that, you can see here is showing the codeingniter version. So please choose the latest one. It's take it it's automatically take updated version. After that, scroll down, and here the condition: I accept the license agreement, automatic update the new minor version security releases, and automatic update backup, as you can see here. Okay, and advanced setting management, automatically manage advanced setting for me. After that, just click here this on this button, install. So it's showing a dialog box on the browser. Just click OK. Wait a minute, and it's processing, as you can see. And it will take a moment. So it's yeah. So as you can see, the installation of codeingniter is in process, and it's installed. Okay, so as you can see here, my codeingniter is installed on my domain name. So if you click here, you can watch here, that's your codeingniter installed. So guys, if you want to know more, I will tell you in another video. Okay, so bye.